Okay? Alright. Now let's see. Look at this. If you don't have papers, it doesn't matter. Look here. Paper එක නැත්තම් කමක් නෑ. මෙහෙ බලන්නකෝ. Look here please. කො බලන්න. හරි. See? A is for apple. Say. Put your finger here. මෙතන තියාගන්න ඇඟිල්ල කොලේ. නැත්තම් මෙහෙ බලන්න. මගේ පුතාලා ලස්සනට කියන්න. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for car. D is for dog. E is for egg. And next one, F is fish. Fish. F is for fish. F is for fish. Right. අම්මිලා එයාලට sound එක ලියලා දෙන්න අමතක වෙනවා නම් if you know Sinhala letters you can write. I don't know whether they know. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for ball. Ball. Okay. Next one. C is for car. Car. Phonic sounds. Car. And D is for dog. Dog. E is for egg. Egg. Next one. This letter. Fur. Like this. මෙන්න මෙහෙම යයන් අනිත් පැත්ත ගැහුවා වගේ. Fur. F is for fish. Fish. F is for fish. Right. Let's start from the beginning. ඔන්න හයියෙන් කියනවා හොඳ පැටව. හයියෙන් කියන්න. අම්මිලට ආස හිතෙනවනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලස්සනට කියනකොට සිං කරනකොට නේද? ඒ වගේ ලස්සනට කියන්න බලන්න. Start. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for car. D is for dog. Dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. Fish. Alright. Now close your blue file. Have to practice up to fur. Remember. සින්දු අහන්න ඕනේ F වෙනකම් හොඳට කටේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි. Close your blue file darling. Right. Then next you should take your red color files. Red color file. Show me the red file. Show me the red file. What you put there? Menna make this one. This paper have to put to the red color file. දාගත්තේ නැති බබාලා දැන් දාගන්නකෝ. Attach it. attach it to red file. Right? Hari, on homework එක you have to find all these pictures and paste on a paper. ලොකු පින්තූර හොයන් එන්න. ඔක්කොම බැරි නම් පුළුවන් ටික හොයාගෙන එන්න. සේරම බැරි නම් තියෙන ටික හරි හොයාගෙන pictures වල මේ මොනවාද paper එක අලෝගෙන එන්න. board එකක හරි කොහොම හරි කමක් නැහැ. දාන්නේ මොකටද red file එකට. තේරුණාද? පැහැදිලිද? ඔන්න ටීචර් ආයි කියනවා හොඳට අහගන්න fruits වල pictures paper එකක හරි board එකක හරි අපිට ඒක පෙන්නලා කතා කරන්නයි ඕනේ. next day එනකොට අලවගෙන එන්න. have to paste. if you can't find all these ඔක්කොම හොයාගන්න බැරි නම් පුළුවන් ටික අලවගෙන එන්න ඕනේ. understood? put your thumbs up if you understood. තේරිච්ච බබාලකෝ put your thumbs up. right. කොහොමද තේරුණා කියන්නේ? yes teacher, I understood. how to say? තේරුණා කියන්නේ කොහොමද? yes teacher, I understood. හරි. shall we see those fruits? ඔන්න බලමු පළතුරු කඩේ. fruits ටික ඉවර වෙලා අපි හදනවා fruit salad එකක්. හරිද? english වලින්. ඇත්තටම හදනවා teacher. okay? right. see, come. look at the board now. දැන් වෙන වැඩ මුකුත් බෑ. හරිද? පළතුරු කන්නයි යන්නේ. sit nicely. හොඳට වාඩි වෙන්න. sit nicely. right. look at me. come. look at me. look at the board. You can see it nicely. right. say, what are we going to learn today? about fruits. teacher අහනවා what are we going to learn today? අද මොනවද ඉගෙන ගන්නේ? පළතුරු ගැන. how to say පළතුරු ගැන?
About fruits.
about fruits. පුතාලා කියන්නකෝ what are we going to learn today? about fruits. අයියෝ චූට හයියෙන් කියන. say louder. say louder. about fruits. right. what's this? what's this?
It's an orange.
It's an orange. What's this?
It's an orange.
It's an orange. Once again, what's this?
It's an orange.
Right. Next one. You know this one. What's this?
It's an apple.
It's an apple. It's an apple. Say, what's this?
It's an apple.
Say louder. High kiyanna.
It's an apple.
It's an apple. Right. Next one. What's this fruit?
It's a papaya.
It's a papaya. It's a papaya. What's this?
It's a papaya.
Next one. Right. What's this? What's this?
It's a banana.
Do you like banana?
Yes, I do.
Do you like banana? Put your hands up those who like to eat banana. කවුද කෙසෙල් කන්න කැමති? Put your hands up those who like to eat banana. කොහොමද කියන්නේ මම කන්න ආසයි කියලා? Do you like to eat banana?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. How to say? Yes, I do. Do you like to eat banana?
Yes, I do.
දැන් ආස නැති අයත් ඉන්නව නේද? කො එයාලා? Who don't like to eat banana? Put your hands up. ආස නැති පැටවකෝ banana කන්න. මගේ පුතාලා එතකොට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? How to say?
No, I don't.
Yes, no, I don't. How to say?
No,
No, I don't. දැන් මූණ එච්චර හරි නෑ. banana කන්න ආස නෑ අයියෝ. No, I don't. How to say?
No, I don't.
කැමති නම් කොහොමද? Happy face. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Next fruit. What's this?
It's a mango.
Yes, darling, what's this?
It's a mango.
It's a mango. Say louder.
It's a mango.
Once again.
It's a mango.
Right. What's this fruit?
It's a mango.
Next one. Oh, what's this?
It's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple. 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 Huh? Is that pineapple? No. That's not pineapple. That is pineapple. What is it?
Pineapple.
It's a pineapple.
It's a pineapple.
What's this, darling?
It's a pineapple.
Next one. Wow, what are these?
It's grapes.
They are grapes. What are these?
They are
Grapes. Right. මිදි පොකුරක් තියෙනවා නේද? මිදි පොකුරුනේ තියෙන්නේ. So how do you call that?
It's a bunch of grapes.
Yes, it's a bunch of grapes. මිදි පොකුරක් නම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ?
It's a bunch of grapes.
It's a bunch of grapes. Say again.
It's a bunch of grapes.
Once again.
It's a bunch of grapes.
කෝ කියන්නේ යාළුවෝ. They don't say no. Huh? It's a bunch of grapes.
It's a bunch of grapes.
මිදි පොකුරක්. It's a bunch of grapes.
It's a bunch of grapes.
Next one. What's this?
It's a wood apple.
It's a wood apple. දිවුල් කියන්නේ. දිවුල් කාලා තියෙනවද? කාගේ ගෙදරද දිවුල් ගහක් තියෙන්නේ? Who has a wood apple tree? They are very big trees and shady too. නේ ලොකුවට උසට හැදෙන්නේ. ගහ පුරෝල ගෙඩි හැදෙන්නේ wood apple. So මේවට කියන්නේ දිවුල් කියලා. මොනවද පුතේ? A wood apple.
A wood apple.
What's this fruit?
It's a wood apple.
What's this fruit? You tell me.
It's a wood apple.
It's a wood apple. Yes. Next one. Oh, these days you can see these. මේ දවස්වල තියෙනවනේ මේවා. A rose apple. What's that?
A rose apple.
Rose apple? Rose apple?
No.
No, that's rose apple.
Rose apple.
Rose apple. It's a rose apple. It's a rose apple. What's the Sinhala name for this?
Jambu.
Jambu. What's the Sinhala name?
Jambu.
Jambu. It's a rose apple. Akshaya ko kata karanne naha nේද? තරහද? කට හෙල්ලෙන්නේ නෑනේ. ගොඩක් කියලා ඉඳන් ටීචර් බලන් හිටියා කෝ සවුන්ඩ් එක දෙන්නේ නෑ. දැන් ටීචර් ක්වෙස්චන්ස් අහනකොට එහෙම එතකොට කියන්න බැරි වෙයි. කියන්න ඕනේ. මාත් එක්ක කියමු ඈ. යාළුයිනේ කියමු. Yes. What's this පුතේ? පුතාලා කියන්න පැටියෝ. What's this fruit?
It's a rose apple.
It's a rose apple. Right. Next one.
It's a guava.
It's a guava. පේර වලට කියන්නේ guava. Guava. Say guava. It's a guava. Next one. Alligator pear.
It's an avocado.
It's an avocado. Alligator pear?
It's an avocado.
It's an avocado. Very good. It's an avocado. Do you like to eat avocado?
No, I don't.
You don't like? I like. Do you like to drink avocado juice with ice cream?
No, I don't.
Huh? Very tasty. Very yummy. Avocado juice නිකන් නෙමේ. සීනි ගොඩක් දාලා, ice cream ගොඩක් දාලා. Huh? Very tasty. Avocado. What's that? Avocado. Right. Next one. Wow. You like this. What's that?
Strawberry.
It's a strawberry. What's the color of the strawberry?
Red.
Red color. It's a strawberry. Right. Next one. This one.
Watermelon.
It's a watermelon. It's a watermelon. It's a watermelon. Right. And this?
It's a pear.
It's a pear. Pears. It's a pear. Right? Next one. දෙලුම් කියලා අපි කියන්නේ මොනවාද මේ?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Can you say? කියන්න බලන්න ලස්සනට. අමාරුද? Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
What's that, පැටියෝ?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Say slowly. Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Can you try? Pomegranate. 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 It's a pomegranate.
It's a pomegranate.
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 Right. Next one. What's this fruit?
It's a mangosteen.
Mangosteen. It's a mangosteen. What's this fruit?
It's a
It's
mangosteen.
a mangosteen. So next day when I tell these names, you must show me the pictures. Teacher නම කියද්දි මෙහෙම පුතාලා pictures පෙන්නලා කතා කරන්න ඕනේ. Next day prepare and come, right? Then next one. Right. මේක ඔයාලා දන්නේ නෑ නේද? මේවට කියන්නේ අනෝදා කියලා. හරිද? වැලි අනෝද කියලා කියනවා. The English word for that, what's that?
Custard apple.
Custard apple. It's a custard apple. අනෝද වලට මොනවද කියන්නේ?
Custard apple.
Custard apple. Do you like to eat this?
Yes, I do.
They are yummy. Do you like to eat? Put your hands up, those who like to eat custard apple. Have you eaten them? කාලා තියනවාද? Have you eaten?
Yes.
Huh? No? Haven't eaten custard apple? They are local foods, no? මේව කාලා නැති අය කවුද අනේ? Custard apple කාලා නැද්ද? Those are very tasty. Right. ඊට පස්සේ මේවට කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද පැටියෝ? Custard apple. This is custard apple. Next one. This is a star fruit. What is it?
Star fruit.
Star fruit. What's that?
Star fruit.
Star fruit. You can see a star here. See? When you cut the fruit, it's like a star. ඒ පළතුර කැපුවහම තරුවක් වගේ. නේ? මේකට අපිට පුළුවන් මොනවා හරි ගාලා ලස්සන ඩිසයින් හදන්න. Star fruit.
Star fruit.
Right. What's the Sinhala word for this one? Do you know? Sinhala word, this picture. What is it? What's the Sinhala word for this one? Starting with ka. The first letter is ka. Don't know. What's the Sinhala word? Kamaranga. මොකද කියන්නේ?
Kamaranga.
English one.
Star
fruit. Star fruit. And this you can make a yummy juice. Passion fruit. What's that? Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Dulanka, what's this? Passion fruit. It's not fashion fruit. Fashion කියන්නේ මෝස්තර, right? කොණ්ඩේ හදලා, makeup දාලා, ලස්සනට ඇඳලා. That is fashion. Then fashion ඒ මෝස්තර වලින් පළතුරු හදන්නේ නැහැ. Not fashion fruit. පයන්න P is for right? Parrot කියන්නේ passion fruit. Say, what is it? Passion fruit. Right. Next one.
A lemon.
It's a lemon. It's a lemon. What's this?
It's a lemon.
It's a lemon. Take your hands. Both hands. Right. How to tap here? Can you see? You say, what's your name? Can you try? What's your name? Ko I කරන්න ගන්න අත් දෙක මෙහෙම ගහන්නකොට what's. Desk එක තියනවා desk එකට tap කරන්න what's. Your එක සැරේයි පුතේ only one time. What's your name? Again start. What's your name? What's your name? Right, how to answer? What's your name?
My name is Bara.
Then my name is
Bara.
clap and say, what's your name?
I'm Bara.
I'm Bayora. ඒ වගේ ඔයාගේ නම කියන්න. I'm Mandakini. How to say? I'm Mandakini. I'm Tania. Okay, can you start? What's your name? Give me the answer. Teacher questions අහනවා මගේ පුතාලා කියන්න ඕනේ. You give me the answers. Start. What's your name?
I'm Bara.
Can you see? Start again. What's your name?
I'm Bara.
Let's do again. What's your name?
I'm Bara.
Okay. Second question. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Can you see? How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
දැන් පුතාලට 7යි නම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ? I'm 7 years old. Okay? 6 බබාලා අවුරුදු 6 බබාලා. I'm 6 years old. Hari. Again. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Again. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
What's your name?
I'm Bara.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Next one. කොහෙද ඉන්නේ? Where do you live?
I live in Colombo.
I live in Colombo. පුතාලා ඉන්න තැන කියන්න. I live in මාතර. I live in Kandy. I live in Galle. හරි. දැන් ටීචර් තුනම අහනවා. All the 3 questions. පුතාලා answers දෙන්න ඕනේ clap කර කර. Start. What's your name?
I'm Bara.
What's your name?
I'm Bara.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Colombo.
Where do you live?
I live in Colombo.
Right. That paper to the green file. Do you have it? This one. Can you see? What's your name? How old are you? මෙතන කහ පාට ගහලා තියෙන එක. It's for the yellow file. That's for the yellow file, darling. Those 3 questions. Teacher මේ ඔක්කොටම lessons වලට videos දානවා. You look at the videos, watch them nicely daily and have to practice. අහන දවස වෙද්දී ආයි සුපර්මෑන්ලා වගේ ඉන්න ඕනේ ඈ. හරිද? ඔන්න අම්මිලා ටීචර්ට කියයි කරේ නැත්නම් එතකොට මං අල්ල ගන්නවා ක්ලාස් එකේදී.